Bulabinak everyone. I want to welcome everyone to the new 2022 academic year. That means all students, teachers, parents and guardians. Only a few weeks ago, our children set the exams to prove they were ready to move on to the next level. And now, here they are, getting back into the spirit of learning and the joy of being in school with their classmates and friends. This is another year to work hard and smart to achieve your goals. Your teachers and parents can guide you, and we now have school counselors who have been trained professionally to give you any special help you may need. We will have COVID protocols in place to protect you, but otherwise, it will feel just like it did before the pandemic. To our younger students, the children who are about to go to school for the first time, I have something special to say. I know you have looked forward to going to school for a long time. Even so, I know it can be a little scary at first. But you will be greeted by a very nice teacher, and you will make new friends right away. And I know you will be eager to go back the next day. I also want to congratulate those young ladies and gentlemen in their last years of secondary school, because you have come a long way. You will have to sit another exam that is used for selection to university or vocational learning. Please don't let up. Don't rest on your laurels this year, because these exams will have a lot to say about on your future. The last few months have not been easy. We had to adapt to the pandemic, and I'm proud of all the students and teachers who took up the challenge of remote learning and online teaching. That got us through a very difficult time without causing us to fall behind. But our progress wasn't all about technology. It was also about dedication. Many teachers went beyond the call of duty to make sure their students were getting what they needed. Some took teaching materials to the doorsteps of students in hard-to-reach communities. I wish I could recognize all of you today by name. I applaud your dedication and sincerely thank you for it. We have a vision of providing quality education for all students in Fiji, but we can't do it without you. I also thank all parents and guardians for being involved in your children's education. I know it wasn't easy to manage a household and try to maintain an income during the pandemic when the children were attending school at home. It was very stressful, but we did it. But remember, your role doesn't end when the children go back to the classroom. Please stay involved in your children's education and make sure that they are keeping up with their lessons. Help is available if you need it. Now I would like to say one last thing to students, and it is a very simple request. Please be kind. Be respectful towards each other and towards teachers. I know we have had bullying and fights at the super bus stand, and I want to make it clear to students, teachers and parents that we do not accept any bullying behavior in schools. Parents, please speak with your children about how important it is for us simply to be kind to each other, as the faith we follow teaches. If we do that, we won't have any bullying or disrespect in school or out of school. This is a new school year, and we are getting off to a fresh start. So remember three things. Be safe, be kind to each other, and do your best in all things. If we remember that, school will be a joy for everyone. And I wish you all the best.